Hello guys, so this is the new OnePlus 70. I have just received it today only, so I'll just start to unbox it. So let's see what else we have got inside. So this is the cover, as you can see it. You can see the OnePlus is written over it. Inside that we have the phone, and we have some OnePlus document, the user manual, and so this is the phone, and this is the 8GB 256GB model, the Glacier blue one, as you can see it. Inside the package there is a back cover, the SIM tray opener, and the USB type C, and this is the charger, the 30 watt charger, warp charge. So let's just turn on the phone first time. The phone is starting. You can see the OnePlus logo. It has the SIM tray below the phone and the speaker as well. The power on off button is on the right side, and the profile selection is on the right side, and the volume button is on the left side. So as you can see it, the phone is not turned on. So this is my review for the OnePlus 70. It's the best phone as of now. See you all.